I'm not too sure how I'm feeling yet about my box, but that's okay. Alright. Hi everyone, it's Mo. Welcome to today's video. I finally got my Beautylish Lucky Bag and I went with the XL. You guys, I started freaking out when I saw everybody else getting their Lucky Bags and mine hadn't even shipped. But then it shipped and then the weather caused delays because of the freeze warnings and it was just a whole thing. So she's finally mine. She's finally home where she belongs. And I haven't opened it yet. I'm dying. So let's do it. Alright, let me do this away from myself so I don't like stab myself because that would not be fun. Here she is. I'll spare you reading all this card stuff because I'm sure you've seen a zillion of these videos. I went with the XL bag and that thing sold out so fast. This packaging is so adorable. Alright. Here is my first goodie. And I kind of think I already know what it is. Oh my god. Natasha Denona. This one is the 28 eyeshadow palette in the purple blue. There's the packaging. You guys know I love Natasha Denona. I love Natasha Denona a lot. I'm actually wearing a lot of Natasha Denona today. Here she is. Alright, so this is next. There's a bunch of stuff in here, so let's me be careful. Alright, here's this next thing. I know what this is. This is a nail polish. Because I own a couple of these and I actually like the formula. So this is the Smith & Colt nail polish in the shade Dark Like Me. Alright, what else is in here? A Bioderma. I love Bioderma. It's a great makeup remover, micellar water, and I like that it's in the little travel size. So I got that. And then I have this sheet mask. This is, I don't know how to say this brand. First Care Activating Mask. You guys know how much I love sheet masks, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out because I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. So yeah. Alright, next up. I know this is a brush because I buy a majority of my brushes from Beautylish. And it is a Wayne Goss Rose Gold Edition airbrush. I'm a big fan of Wayne Goss brushes. I'm sure you know that. I have the original airbrush and I have the Rose Gold Edition. Alright, next is by Terry. Alright. This is a by Terry product. This is the Sun Designer palette. The Sun Designer palette, the summer edition, in this shade Savannah Love. Comes in a beautiful dust bag. Love by Terry products, but you already knew that. And here's what she looks like. This whole box is complete repeats for me so far. It's cool. It happens. You know, I kind of wish that Beautylish would look at maybe your purchase history or your wish list and, you know, base the products that they give you off of that. And that is it. I got one more thing. Alright, this is my last product from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick. What's the shade? I don't know. Let's find out. Hollywood Lips, I think it's called. What's the shade? The shade is Charlotte Darling. And here is what she looks like. It's a very pretty nude. It's not a my type of nude. I'm sure it's a wonderful product, but the color is not for me. So that's my box. I'm not sure how I feel. I'm happy because I can give this, you know, I can give the things away that I don't need because I already have. But I'm a little sad. I don't think I'll be purchasing this box again just because I buy so much makeup. And it's almost, you know, they're not looking at purchase history and stuff like that. So they're not, you know, the chances of me getting repeat products is very high. So those are all of the goodies that I received in my Beautylish XL bag. Let me know your thoughts down below. They did warn you and say, you know, the bags are kind of just random. But yeah, that's that.